Miss Sierra Leone on Save the Tiger campaign. Miss Sierra Leone on Save the Tiger campaign. In a poignant display of unity and purpose, Daizy Princess Mujeh Abdulai stood shoulder to shoulder with fellow contestants at the Miss World 71st edition in India. Together, they embarked on a powerful campaign to save the endangered tigers, transcending the traditional boundaries of beauty pageants.
Miss World Sierra Leone, and of course, I've joined other Miss World contestants in the Save the Tiger campaign. What am I doing? So, I'm starting a series titled Sierra Leone Save the Tiger. Join me. Hello world, hello Sierra Leone. I am Daizy Princess Mujeh Abdulai, Miss World Sierra Leone, and of course I've joined other Miss World contestants in the Save the Tiger campaign. What am I doing?
Daizy Princess, with her regal presence, lent her voice to a cause greater than the crown she aspires to wear. The collective effort showed the beauty queens not only as symbols of grace, but also as advocates for environmental preservation. As they campaigned fervently for the majestic tigers, Daizy Princess and her fellow contestants became ambassadors of change, proving that the Miss World stage can be a catalyst for meaningful global impact. Their unified stance echoed through the event, leaving an indelible mark on the legacy of Miss Sierra Leone 2023 and the collective conscience of the Miss World 71st edition.
Abdulai, Miss World Sierra Leone, and of course I've joined other Miss World contestants in the Save the Tiger campaign. What am I doing? So, I'm starting a series titled Sierra Leone Save the Tiger. Join me. Hello world, hello Sierra Leone. I am Daizy Princess Mujeh Abdulai, Miss World Sierra Leone, and of course I've joined other Miss World contestants in the Save the Tiger campaign. What am I doing? So, I'm starting a series titled Sierra Leone.
Ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, it's Human Face, Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Put on all notifications so that each time we drop a new video, you'll be notified. Okay? We love you all. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.